Welcome to Trivandrum, a city where every street corner is bursting with color, life, and the irresistible aroma of spices. Kerala's capital and a true flavor powerhouse, where culinary traditions run deep and every meal tells a story. This city is famous for one thing above all, its legendary Trivandrum spicy chicken fry, a dish that's become a symbol of local pride. Forget your average fried chicken. This is a crispy, juicy, spice-packed knockout that's unlike anything you've tasted before. Every bite is a sensory explosion, a story of tradition and taste, with layers of flavor that dance on your tongue. People travel from all over India, and even beyond, just to try this iconic dish, eager to experience its legendary heat and flavor. The crunch, the tender chicken, the bold spices, this is more than food. It's an experience that lingers in your memory. We're here to uncover what makes this chicken fry a legend, and why it's the talk of the town. From secret techniques passed down through generations to passionate chefs who pour their hearts into every batch, we'll dive into the heart of Kerala's cuisine. This isn't just a meal, it's a celebration on a plate, bringing friends and families together in joyful feasts. The chefs here are true artists, transforming simple, humble ingredients into something unforgettable and magical. The love and passion in every piece make it a must-try for anyone who calls themselves a food lover. Get ready for a journey through South Indian flavor, where every spice tells a story and every bite is an adventure. We'll explore the spices, the vibrant culture, and the magic behind this iconic dish that's captured so many hearts. No shortcuts, no compromises, just pure, unadulterated flavor, crafted with care and tradition. By the end, you'll want to book a ticket to Trivandrum for a taste of the action, and maybe even bring some friends along for the ride. So let's kick off this flavor adventure and discover the secrets of Trivandrum's most beloved dish. Step into a Trivandrum kitchen. It's a flavor factory in full swing, where every sense is awakened the moment you enter. The air is alive with the aroma of turmeric, ginger, and coconut oil, swirling together to create a scent that's both comforting and invigorating. You hear the rhythmic chop of onions, the sizzle of chicken hitting hot oil, and the gentle clatter of utensils, each sound a note in the kitchen's symphony. Bright spices and fresh curry leaves create a feast for the eyes, their colors as vivid as the flavors they promise. Kitchens here are bustling, full of energy and purpose, with every cook moving in harmony, each knowing their role by heart. Cooks move with practiced skill, creating from the heart, their hands guided by tradition and instinct. Local ingredients are the star, fresh from the market every morning, hand-picked for their quality and flavor. The connection to the land and tradition is strong, with every meal reflecting the bounty of Kerala's lush fields and gardens. Every dish, especially the chicken fry, celebrates Kerala's rich soil and harvest, bringing the essence of the region to your plate. Recipes are passed down through generations, filled with love and history, each one carrying stories and memories from the past. Food here isn't just about eating, it's about creating memories, sharing laughter, and building bonds that last a lifetime. The Trivandrum spicy chicken fry connects past and present, blending old techniques with new tastes in every bite. It's a taste of home, community, and Kerala soul, uniting everyone around the table. The people and their stories make every bite special, infusing each meal with warmth and personality. This is where the magic begins, in kitchens filled with laughter, love, and the promise of something delicious. Welcome to the heart of Kerala's kitchen, where every meal is a celebration of life itself. What makes this chicken fry legendary? It's all about the spices. Kashmiri red chili powder gives the chicken its fiery color and gentle heat. Turmeric adds golden hue and earthy balance. Coriander brings a hint of citrusy sweetness. Freshly ground black pepper adds a spicy kick. Sometimes a pinch of garam masala deepens the flavor. Each spice plays a role, creating a complex, harmonious blend. Fresh ginger garlic paste is a must for sharp, aromatic punch. Curry leaves, fried in oil, add unique aroma and crunch. Every ingredient is fresh, no shortcuts here. The blend is perfected over generations, like a well-rehearsed orchestra. This isn't just mixing spices, it's the art of flavor. The result? A world champion chicken fry. Every bite is a flavor adventure. This is spice mastery at its finest. The secret? It's all in the marinade. Chicken, bone-in for extra flavor, is coated in a thick, vibrant spice paste. Lime juice or vinegar tenderizes the meat, while rice flour or cornstarch ensures a crispy crust. Every piece is massaged with care, no shortcuts. The chicken rests, soaking up flavor for hours or even overnight. This patience transforms the dish, infusing every bite with deep, soulful taste. The marination is the quiet before the flavor storm. Salt draws out moisture, then reabsorbs it, keeping the chicken juicy. It's a simple process, but absolutely essential. This is how you get that signature crispy outside and juicy inside. The magic starts long before the chicken hits the oil. Time to fry. This is where the magic comes alive. Coconut oil is the secret weapon, giving the chicken a unique, nutty aroma. Shallow frying in a heavy pan, the chicken sizzles to golden perfection. The marinade forms a crispy crust, locking in all the juices. Curry leaves tossed in at the end become crispy flavor bombs. The result? A crunchy, spicy shell with tender, succulent meat inside. The color is deep reddish brown, flecked with green curry leaves. The aroma is intoxicating, spicy, savory, and sweet. This isn't just fried chicken, it's a work of art. Perfect ingredients, patient marination, and skillful frying. This is Trivandrum spicy chicken fry in all its glory. One bite, and you'll understand the hype. How do locals enjoy this masterpiece? The answer is as vibrant as the city itself, with every bite telling a story of tradition and togetherness. Street style is the way. The aroma of sizzling chicken draws crowds to bustling stalls, where the air is filled with anticipation. Served hot from roadside tucadas, often on a fresh banana leaf, it's an authentic experience that captures the essence of Kerala's food culture. Pair it with Kerala paratha, flaky, buttery bread that's perfect for scooping up every bit of spicy chicken, soaking up all those rich flavors. Or enjoy it with steaming rice and a dollop of cool, creamy yogurt to balance the heat, making every mouthful a perfect harmony of spice and comfort. Many love it as a spicy snack with drinks, shared among friends during lively evenings or festive gatherings. It's the ultimate social food, fueling laughter, conversation, and the bonds that make every meal memorable. The crunch and juiciness are legendary. Locals rave about every bite, savoring the perfect balance of texture and flavor. Visitors are told, don't leave Trivandrum without tasting the chicken fry from a local shop. It's a must-try, a rite of passage for food lovers. It's a point of pride, a true culinary ambassador for the city, representing the warmth and hospitality of Trivandrum. Each bite is a textural journey, crispy outside, juicy inside, bursting with spices that linger on your palate. This dish brings people together, creating memories, stories, and a sense of belonging that lasts long after the meal is over. That's the true spirit of Trivandrum's chicken fry, a celebration of flavor, friendship, and community. There you have it, the story of Trivandrum's spicy chicken fry. More than a recipe, it's a piece of Kerala's soul. Every step, from spice selection to marination, is a labor of love. The crispy crust, the juicy meat, the bold flavors, it's a full sensory experience. This dish is a legend, beloved by locals and visitors alike. If you're ever in Kerala, make it your mission to try this iconic chicken fry. Find a bustling thadukkada, order it hot, and savor the flavor explosion. Can't make it to Kerala? Try making it at home. Bring a taste of Trivandrum to your kitchen. This is a must-try, a true trip to Flavor Town. Crispy, juicy, spicy, this chicken fry is unforgettable. Until next time, keep chasing flavor.